Alas, a way forward to easily read the Bible from end to end. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into an exciting and life-changing journey, reading the entire Bible in 1 year. Whether you're new to the Bible or looking for a structured way to engage with it daily, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Here's a basic structure to guide you. Month 1, Genesis 1 to 35, Matthew 1 to 15, Psalms 1 to 12. Month 2, Genesis 36 to 50, Exodus 1 to 25, Matthew 16 to 28, Mark 1 to 5, Psalms 13 to 23, Proverbs 1. Month 3, Exodus 26 to 40, Leviticus 1 to 24, Mark 6 to 12, Psalms 24 to 35, Proverbs 2 to 3. Month 4, Leviticus 25 to 27, Numbers 1 to 26, Mark 13 to 16, Luke 1 to 5, Psalms 36 to 45, Proverbs 4. Month 5, Numbers 27 to 36, Deuteronomy 1 to 20, Luke 6 to 18, Psalms 46 to 55, Proverbs 5 to 6. Month 6, Deuteronomy 21 to 34, Joshua 1 to 18, Luke 19 to 24, John 1 to 7, Psalms 56 to 65, Proverbs 7. Month 7, Joshua 19 to 24, Judges 1 to 21, John 8 to 21, Psalms 66 to 75, Proverbs 8 to 9. Month 8, Ruth 1 to 4, 1 Samuel 1 to 31, Acts 1 to 14, Psalms 76 to 85, Proverbs 10 to 11. Month 9, 2 Samuel 1 to 24, 1 Kings 1 to 10, Acts 15 to 28, Psalms 86 to 95, Proverbs 12. Month 10, 1 Kings 11 to 22, 2 Kings 1 to 18, Romans 1 to 16, Psalms 96 to 105, Proverbs 13. Month 11, 2 Kings 19 to 25, 1 Chronicles 1 to 29, 1 Corinthians 1 to 16, Psalms 106 to 115, Proverbs 14. Month 12, 2 Chronicles 1 to 36, Ezra 1 to 10, 2 Corinthians 1 to 13, Psalms 116 to 119, Proverbs 15. You'll find that reading about 2 to 3 chapters from the Old Testament, 1 chapter from the New Testament, and a few verses from Psalms or Proverbs each day is manageable. Next, let's talk about daily scheduling. Consistency is key. Set aside 15 to 20 minutes each day. Whether it's first thing in the morning, during lunch, or before bed, find a time that works best for you. Reading with others can also be incredibly motivating. Join a Bible study group or an online community. Sharing insights and discussing passages with others can deepen your understanding and keep you accountable. Utilize tools and resources to enhance your journey. Study Bibles provide valuable commentary and context. Audio Bibles are fantastic if you're on the go. Apps like YouVersion can track your progress and offer daily reminders. Don't forget the power of prayer and reflection. After each reading, take a moment to pray and reflect on what you've read. Ask God to help you understand and apply His Word in your life. Here are some tips for success. Stay consistent. Make Bible reading a non-negotiable part of your day. Don't get discouraged. If you miss a day, simply continue the next day without trying to catch up immediately. Seek understanding. Use commentaries, Bible study guides, and ask questions to deepen your comprehension. Remember, the goal is not just to read the Bible, but to engage with it and let it transform your life. By following this plan and staying committed, you'll find yourself growing in faith and understanding. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Let us know in the comments how your Bible reading journey is going. This insight was brought to you by the Seed of God channel in collaboration with the ever-creative and homey author, Avery Acquison Lane. Find books written by Avery on eBay, Amazon, and on www.phenomtrading.com/shop. Until next time, happy reading and God bless.